United States. As of 2016, there are approximately 687 to 100 U.S. employed bus drivers. One of the most common jobs in the United States of bus driver is not work for the public school, transporting students aboard a school bus to and from the school building. As of 2004, 71% of bus drivers in the US were employed by schools in other countries. School transport is often provided by the same companies that runs other bus services in the area, so school bus drivers is not a separate position in the United States. Filling a position as a bus driver usually requires that the individuals possess a commercial driver's license (CDL) and special lead transiting from the vehicle as a passenger element. Various other educational and vocational training are usually required, but this varies from place to place. See also bus conductor, house of service USA, driver working hours US, list of bus operating companies. Reference number 1, Albrecht M. Gillis M. 2008, Crimes for People on the Move, Other Road Warriors. MC Crow, High Education P. Number 2, America's Forest Growing Job, page 13.3. 3, Community in Focus, Transaction, page number XS. Drive CPU training for qualified drivers. Government UK Transition 2019 11-17. To 14 drivers and tachographs rules buses and caucus PSVS 75. Guidance Government UK acquired from the original on 2015 10-4. Required 2014 4 month 20 date. 15. Acquired copy PDF acquired from the original PDF of 2013 9th month 3 date. Required 2014 4th month 20 days. Number 6. BBC News England attacks Sparks bus drivers. Chris News BBS UK.com 29 September 2003. 17. Bus driver operational output handbook US Bureau of Labor Statistics. 18. School bus drivers is the USA salary requirement benefit job and salary elroad.com. A commercial driver's license CDL is a driver's license required in the United States to operate large and highway bicycles, including trucks, buses, and travels or bicycle and of any size. The transport hydrons materials of more than 15 passengers, introducing the drivers. Union State. In the Union State of Commercial Motor Vehicle Safety Act of 1986 establishes minimum requirement that must be met when a state issues a CDL, while recreational vehicle and farm vehicle are expert from requiring a CDL. Feudal law allow state to require a CDL from this vehicle. However, such vehicles are friendly except from the having a often a CDL. The following types of CDL license are: Class A, any combination of bicycles that has a gross combination weight rating of gross combination weight of 26,001 pounds, 11,790 40 kilograms more increasing of the towing unit S with a gross vehicle weight rating or gross vehicle weight of more than 10,000 pounds, 4,056 kilogram. Class B, any single vehicle with which has a gross vehicle weight rating of gross vehicle with weight of 26,001 pounds, 11,794 kilograms or more, or any such vehicle towing a vehicle with a gross vehicle weight rating or gross vehicle weight that do not exceed 10,000 pounds, 450 kilogram. Class 6, any single vehicle or combination of vehicles that does not meet the definition of Class A or Class B but is either decisions is transport 16 more passengers including this driver or is a transporting material that has been be designated a hazardous under 49 USC 500 103 is a required to be placed under subpart F of 29 CBR part 172 or is transporting any quality of a material listed is a selected again or toxin is 42 CFR part 73.